Welcome to Omokura Public School. Today, we are starting Grade 1 English, Nouns and Names. In this chapter, we will learn about nouns and what they are, people, places, things. Nouns definition. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. It can act or be acted upon. Common nouns. A common noun is a general name for a person, place, thing, or idea, like boy, city, book, or river. Common nouns examples. Look at these examples. A book, an apple, a cat, a ball, a shoe, or a dog. Proper nouns. A proper noun is a specific name for a particular person, place, or thing. And it is always capitalized, like Mia, Max, or London. Proper nouns examples. Examples of proper nouns include Emma, Harry Potter, Christmas, and the Statue of Liberty.